Hello friends, my hearty welcome to RK's Apex Institute of English. Friends, here in this video, we are going to have a glance at the features of online communicative course conducted by RK's Apex. At the outset, let me introduce myself. I am A. Ravikant, the director of RK's Apex, having 20 years of experience as a soft skills trainer. At this juncture, I feel delighted to attribute my professional and also personal growth to Sri K. Naishrav sir, the director of Apex Institute of English, Guntur. Under his able guidance, I have acquired the required skills to run an institution in Vijayawada. And the principal of this institute, Madam A. Ganga Bhavani, with 12 years of experience. Now, let me tell you the details of the course. Friends, here in our institution, conducting group discussions, communicative activities is a everyday process. Number of students have completed their course and settled well in different positions and particularly in different MNCs, multinational companies. Now we have planned to conduct online classes. The way how the students perform regular activities in traditional classroom can be performed here in online classes also. They present group discussions, lectures, individual concepts. So like that, it has become an everyday process even in online coaching also. Let's see the core components of this program. It is the combination of four components GVSP. Generally, we call it a four-fold method. The four-fold method is grammar, vocabulary, spoken, and personality development. Now, look at the syllabus what we complete in grammar. Silent letters, there in the part 1, grammatical terms, word order, word family, noun, pronoun, verb, preposition, tense part 1, conjunctions, tense part 2, adjective, adverb, if conditions, and modal auxiliaries part 1. So all these components come under grammar part 1. Friends, here at the end of every chapter, you will get some exercises or you can say assignments. So these assignments are prepared such a way that your practical knowledge in English get enriched. And at the same time, next we get the chance to convert this grammar into spoken activities. Most of the people think that institutions like this kind teach only grammar. So it's only a wrong notion, friends. So now in the future videos you are going to see how we convert grammar into even spoken activities. There in the part 2 you get activize passivize in 4 parts because it is one of the important pillars. So it needs the practical dimension to acquire required skills. Modal auxiliaries part 2, articles, direct indirect speech, structures, email writing, letter writing, notice writing, double parts of speech, one of the important chapters, generally we call it crux of advanced grammar. Resume preparation, agenda writing, minutes of the meeting. So some people surely going to be the part of MNCs in future. So you should know how to write an agenda and minutes of the meeting. Phonetics, so which help you in speaking exact pronunciation. So friends, these are all the things we covered in grammar. Coming to vocabulary, most people think that knowing the meanings of unknown words itself is vocabulary. But friends, in general, you need to know the category of vocabulary. You find passive vocabulary and active vocabulary. Passive and active. Passive vocabulary means students know the meaning of the word, that's all. But active in the sense, you need to know three components. Generally, we call them S1, S2, and S3. S1 spelling, sound means it's a pronunciation, and specific usage means its exact structure. Sometimes these vocabulary words they take some particular prepositions or the structure should be in the specified way. So all those things are discussed here in vocabulary. Frankly speaking, to rise up to any occasion, one should have 2500 to 3000 vocabulary words. In our course, we are going to complete 2000 words, 2000 active vocabulary words, friends. So, regular verbs 500, irregular 175, general vocabulary 125, special phrases 200, professional vocabulary 800, and idioms and phrases 200. So, coupled with all these things, you will get nearly 2000 words. Once again, I would like to reiterate here all these 2000 words you get along with the explanation and the right uses how to use in your day-to-day life. Combining these two, grammar and vocabulary, then we have spoken activities. There in the spoken activities, you get wide variety of components, approximately 60 to 65 components we call here. So in which you can find pro communicative concepts, pro tense concepts, general stories, corporate themes, listening skills, conversational skills, reading skills, expansion of proverbs, general essays, story translation, group discussions, mock press, anchor and guest presentation, group activities, jam sessions. Jam, you are well versed with the word jam, just a minute. FAQ, frequently asked questions in the interviews. And the last item here, mock interview. Like this, friends, these activities help a lot in enriching the communication skills of the students. And personality development is also one of the key elements of our course. So here you get everyday proverbs. Every day our class begins with a proverb, professional skills, leadership qualities, anger management, lead India, soft skills, man of value versus man of success, how to face rejection, or you can say facing rejection, SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis, one of the key components in professional career development, and personality in triangles. So like this, friends, this course comes out with wide variety of programs in personality development. So this is all about the program GVSP, grammar, vocabulary, spoken, and personality development. Friends, one of the main advantages of this course is audio video presentations. Audio and video presentations. Besides giving everyday interactive sessions, you will get audio video presentations to your email ID. You can listen to them at your convenient time, and of course you can listen to it any number of times. So thereby you can get clear cut idea about grammar, vocabulary, and of course presentation skills. Definitely it will become an added advantage. Along with this course, we do provide our course materials, part 1 and part 2. If you belong to local, and of course materials will be handed over to you. If at all you belong to non-local, so these materials will be sent to by postal service. And coming to daily assignments. So at the end of every lesson you get certain assignments. So you need to send these assignments by WhatsApp. So time to time we correct them and of course give you right feedback. So friends, so those who are interested in this course, you are requested to send your email id to the number 9002481166. For the first 3 days you will be sent video classes, so you can listen to them and experience how the course is. And you need to send even assignments also, so thereby you to come to know how our prospective students are. And I would like to mention one more point here. So we are planning an exclusive online program for high school students. So once they complete this, they will be able to get good score in their respective subjects, because once a student is good at English, so will be able to get good score in other subjects also, because English is the key one, otherwise key language where you need to write everything. So then what happens, your hand feels freedom, and of course you can gain scores not only in English but also other subjects. So friends, so feel free to call us 9002481166 for further details. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.